Hey guys, what's up? This is Booking Bronco again with another Booksy Biz tutorial. So today we are going to be looking at a few things. The overall umbrella term that you could use to categorize this would be integrations. So we're integrating different platforms. In this video, it's going to be Facebook, Google, and potentially a website as well. So we're going to be looking at, those would be classified as external integrations because we're looking at external platforms and how you can allow people to book with you from those platforms. And then we will also look quickly at internal integrations. So that would be adding your, for example, Facebook to your Booksy account so that someone that finds you on Booksy can find you on Facebook. The overall idea is that people that find you on your platforms can book with you on Booksy, and the people that find you with you on Booksy can also find your other platforms. So there's kind of like a two-way street going on. That's the whole idea there. As always, full disclosure, I am a full-time employee of Booksy as of the time of this recording, but this YouTube channel is my own personal project and is not affiliated with or sponsored by Booksy. So the views and opinions I express here are strictly my own and do not reflect the positions, views, or opinions of Booksy. That being said, let's get right into it. So first thing we're going to look at is going to be external integrations. I did look also already at the Instagram external integration, which consists of a Book Now button. If you didn't watch that video, I'll put that link in the description below this video. For now, we're going to be focusing on the other external integrations. So you're going to go here, Booksy Biz app, bottom right, profile, settings, right there. We're going to scroll down until you come to a section called online booking. So this is where you're able to turn on online booking. Online booking would mean that you're able to be found on the Booksy marketplace. So you need to do that first of all to even use any of these integrations, because you can't integrate anything. People can't find you if you're not even available on the marketplace. So you do need to have this online booking enabled, which means search visibility needs to be on. Once that is turned on, you're going to see a few different options down here. Instagram, Book Now button, we already covered that in the previous video. So if you're looking for that, that's in episode 10. Description, link in the description below. The other ones we're looking at here are going to be reserved with Google, Facebook, or your website. So I'm going to touch on Facebook first. If you do this Facebook integration, I'm not going to go through these whole integrations because they're an entire can of worms depending on what your Facebook settings are set at. If it's a personal account, a professional account, if you have different settings set, it might not allow you to do this. So this is something I would say, give it a shot. If it works for you, great. If not, and you're determined to do it, you can do your own research and try to figure out how to get that on there. I'm sure there's plenty of other videos of how to add booking buttons onto your Facebook. But for now, I'm just going to say this is where you would go to add a book button onto your Facebook business profile if you would want to, starting from Booksy. Same idea with Google. This is going to be a Google Maps location. So if you have a Google Maps location that when people find it, you want them to be able to book from there on Booksy, as in it's going to have a little button that says book online and it will take someone to your Booksy profile where they can book with you. This is where you would go to find that. I generally find this to be a little bit easier to do. The Google settings tend to be less complex. Still, same idea though, can of worms, depending on what your individual Google Maps location settings are. You might run into some issues. Give it a shot. Same idea. If it works, fantastic. If not, and you're determined to get it on there, do your own research, try to figure that out. So the last external integration I'm going to talk about is going to be this one called Your Website. This is going to be definitely the most advanced of the three. What this is going to do is give you a JavaScript widget, which if you don't even know what that is, you can probably just skip this part. But essentially, if you have your own website and you know that it supports JavaScript embedding, you can get a JavaScript link, we'll just call it for lack of a better term, and you can put that inside of your website. And that's pretty slick because it will actually allow people to book directly from your website without even leaving and going to Booksy. So that's that one. I'm not going to delve into that much, but just because it is so uncommon that I see people do have their own websites. But if what I'm talking about rings a bell for you and you understand it, or you have a web developer that maybe works with you and they might understand it, fantastic. Go ahead, try to take advantage of that. But out of all these, I would say Instagram, that's going to be the most common that I see. Reserved with Google, very useful and potentially not too complex. Facebook, very useful, but can of worms. You got to kind of know what your Facebook business profile settings are set at and maybe make some slight adjustments. And then your website, that's the most complex one. And only if you have a website that you know runs on JavaScript and you know either how to make those adjustments or someone that can do that for you, that's when you would take advantage of that. So that's going to be everything for external integration. So funneling people from these other platforms to your Booksy account where they can go book with you. The next thing, which is much simpler, is going to be internal integrations. So someone that finds your Booksy account and then you then want them to be able to find either your Instagram or your Facebook or whatever it may be. That's going to be back here in business details. So we weren't online booking before. Now we're going to go to business details and then go into business name and info. Here, actually, one quick note, if you do want to put a little bit about your business, like a bio for your business, you can put that here, but that's not what we're focusing on today. We're going to focus on what is here labeled social media, what I call internal integrations, and this is where you can paste links that will take people to the corresponding platforms. For example, someone finds your Booksy profile and you want them to also be able to then find your Instagram profile. All you would need to do is get your Instagram link, copy that, come back to here, paste it in here, click save, and then now there's going to be a little Instagram button that appears on your Booksy profile. Facebook, same idea. You get your Facebook profile link, come back here, paste it in here, save. Someone's now going to be able to navigate to your Facebook business profile straight from your Booksy profile. There's going to be a little button that says Facebook on there. Website, you can basically put anything in here. I've seen people even put links for YouTube videos where it takes them to a YouTube video. Obviously, it is meant to be designed for a website if you want to take people there, but it does accept pretty much any link, as do any of these. So if for some reason you had maybe a different place that you wanted to take people, maybe a marketing thing or whatever, it will be, that little button will be labeled website. So people, when people click on it, they will be expecting to go to a website, but really any link works there. So do with that what you will. And then the last one here is going to be the online shop. No different than the website one. It's just going to be labeled online shop. And that's the one I see least commonly used. So that's going to be everything, guys. A little bit longer of a video here, but I did just want to kind of go over all of the integration. So quick review, external integration, that's going to be to bring people from external platforms to your Booksy profile where they can book with you. That's going to be the Instagram Book Now button, Facebook, Reserve with Google, and the website widget. So there's 4 external integrations. The internal integrations is the opposite. That's where someone finds you on Booksy and then you want them to be able to find you on those other platforms. So that's going to be either Instagram, Facebook, a website, or an online shop. So there's 4 of each type. That's pretty much everything I had for today, guys. I know this was a longer one, so bear with me. If you want to get a video that talks about how to do each one of these in more detail, just leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll know which one you guys might want to cover in more detail. Like I said, if it's too complex, you can't figure it out, it's not the end of the world. Just give it a shot, and if it works for you, great. Otherwise, you'll kind of know how much work you might need to do to get that added. Other than that, guys, as always, if you did find this video useful, please like and subscribe. And if you are considering subscribing to Booksy Biz, you can use my referral link in the description below to get 50% off your first 2 months. Other than that, thanks for your time as always. See you on the next one.